Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we are going to make a GET API call using Python. I'm using Jupyter over here, but if you wanted to use this module in your local machine, then you need to install request module. And the command is pip install request. And over here, if you see, this is the endpoint, and this is a very simple GET request, and I have passed a particular ID which we wanted to get to know about a particular star ship over here. So ID is 9 and expecting data to be written in JSON format. So that I have mentioned over question mark. Over here I have used get method of request module to make a get call, and then we are going to print the header and response code first. Let me save this code. Let's run. And over here you can see we got header information over here, and status code is 200. That means it's a okay status. Now let's see the response data. I'm going to print these two lines to make it a little bit clean. And over here, I'm going to load the response data, which is in text format, using JSON loads method, so that it will be like a Python dictionary. Now let's save the code and make this call. And you can see we got the response over here. Name of this star ship is Death Star. Now if I wanted to just to know about the name of this ship, then let me pass it name over here, and this is just like a Python dictionary. Now let's rerun the code, and you can see we got Death Star over here. As this is a public URL, we don't need to authenticate. All right, thank you for watching.